And the last question we'll look at today is slightly more challenging, but hopefully not too challenging. Finding the equation of a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. And so basically what we're doing, I'm not actually going to plot these on the coordinate plane, but if you have 2 points, A and B, and you want the perpendicular bisector, so we need the equation of the perpendicular bisector, we need the equation of the line that is perpendicular to AB and goes through its midpoint. It has to bisect it. So we're looking for the equation of this line, this dotted line here that I just made. Well, to find that, we need two things of our perpendicular bisector, perpendicular. This is a part that'll come back a couple of times in this unit. And so you do need to be quite adept at finding perpendicular bisectors. You first need to find the midpoint of AB, and you will need to know the slope of AB because the perpendicular bisector will have the opposite reciprocal of AB's slope. So opposite reciprocal of slope of AB. All right, the midpoint of AB, you can do this on your own or check your answer or just look at my answer. The midpoint is at 1, 2. Remember slope formula, and this is also in the formula book, y2 minus y1, or change in y's over change in x's, rise over run. And if you find that for the ordered pairs above, you should see that the slope is, I believe it's -2 minus 6 over 5 plus 3, which becomes -8 over 8 or -1. So that means the slope of the perpendicular line would be +1. The slope of the perpendicular line would be +1. And so now I know two features of this line. I know it has to go through this point, and I know that it has this slope. So to write the equation of a line that goes through that point and has that slope, we've already looked at how to write the equation of the line this year. We can substitute into the point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. You could leave it like that, or we can write it in slope intercept form by isolating for y, and you should get x plus 1. And that's the end.